Hello guys, good evening. I would like to thank Ina once again. No? So, first ko siyang napanood sa EP tour ni Shinji noong November. And ayun, congrats rin sa launch ng Hopia sa Vega Cafe. Actually, nag-perform ako doon last Saturday nung open night. Thank you rin Hannah and Sir FB, thank you rin. So, ayun, for my first song, balik lang tayo sa 90s. So, this is a classic one. So, if you know the song, ayun, paling ako sa pinag.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, hi babe, they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. Still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, hi baby, they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. Still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. Yeah, still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. So glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
So for my next song, this is an original one. So I released this last July 2025. So this song is about a heart that has known fear but chose love anyway. So it's called Our Us, and hope you guys like it.
Hello, I've been searching badly for this feeling. How long can I afford to miss this? Hello, my love, I've been waiting for this about you. I am dreaming. Hello, my love, what's happening to me? I'm quite scared. Oh, I'm quite scared. Yet you just sit avoiding me, and you just fix my broken dreams. I'm sure this thing would live somehow. And you inspire and make me free. Oh, nothing can stop this love heartbeat. I'm sure this thing would live somehow. I try to avoid to keep distance, but still you stay. I'm sorry for the first times, cause I've been afraid. So she blessing and she came into my life. I'm asking myself, am I enough for you? Cause you understood all and pushed this through. I'm grateful and thankful with this, I'm sure. My heart has got its cure. And you just sit avoiding me, and you just fix my broken dreams. I'm sure this thing would live somehow. And you inspire and make me free. Oh, nothing can stop this love heartbeat. I'm sure this thing will live somehow. It's ours. It's ours. I'm not scared. With you, I'm not scared. Oh, now I'm not scared. Let's be not scared of our sorrows. When you just sit avoiding me, and you just fix my broken dreams. I'm sure this thing would live somehow. Surely you inspire and make me free. Oh, nothing can stop this loud heartbeat. I'm sure this thing will live somehow. It's ours. It's ours. It's ours. It's ours. For my next song, sino dito yung nakikinig kay John Aitana? Ayun, so, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong song niya kasi actually. So, it's called Buntong Hiling. Sa maraming tao sa mundo, may nag-iisa para sa'yo. Kanyang pupunan ang iyong pagkukulang. Siya ang sasalo, ang pang-iba to ng mundo. pag-alala, kanyang mapapakalma ang dating ayaw mo. Ika'y magkakagusto, ang isa'y dalawa, kayong dalawa'y iisa. San ka man magpunta, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Kaya pagal na puso, wag na wag susugo, maihilo sa mga sugat mo. Sa iyong mga patawa ay di ka napapalya. Siya ang tanging bangka, pagbaha ng iyong luha. At pag naliligaw na, kamay niya ang iyong mapa. Siya ang antipara, pag malabo na ang iyong mata. Kaya saradong puso, buksan muli ang iyong pinto, may kakato, palang araw. Sabi na maraming tao sa mundo, abay akalain mong tayo ay magtatagpo. Nagkatugma ang puso, sa wakas simula na to. Puntong hininga, puntong hininga, mapuntong hininga, kaya muna tayo. Yun muna po. So yung next song ko, duet to actually. Song siya ni Alfred Neri and Janine. So it's called Pelikula. So yung sana kayanin ko mag-isa. Yes. Mapapansin kung nakukulang basta nararamdaman kahit walang bumabagita. Ikaw ang tanging gustong pagmasdan, o sana ako'y pagbigyan kahit ako'y hinihitan. Pagsakit, sumasalay, isayaw mo ako sinta. Pupulong ko ang musika, indak ng puso'y magiging isa. Takbo ng mundo'y magpapahinga, parang isang pelikula. Ilayo man tayo ng tadhana, bumabalik sa bawat eksena. Ako at ikaw, walang iba. Dadalawang isip ako, minsan-minsan ng paghapang paeng tablado, para lang na maangpansin mo na ikaw lang ang sadyang kong mati sa'yo. Makausap ka, hindi sanay na humawa ng mga kamay. Sa'yo ako sama-sabay. Ngayong gabi mangyayari ang minsan. Sandali lang naman, isayaw mo ako sinta. Ibubulong ko ang musika, tindahan ng puso'y magiging isa. Kapulang mundo'y magpapahinga, parang isang pelikula. Inayuman tayo ng tadhana, bumabalik sa bawat eksena. Ako at ikaw ang lang iba. Isayaw mo ako sinta, ibubulong ko ang musika.
Ang puso'y magiging isa, takbo ng mundo'y magpapahinga.
Parang isang pelikula, inayuman tayo ng tadhana, bumabalik sa bawat eksena. Ako at ikaw, walang iba.
For my next song, this is an original one actually. Tagalog siya. And na-title niya is Patuloy Akong Muli. Maraming interpretation tong song na to. Actually, yung kaklase ko ng college, yung nagsulat and co-writer lang ako. So, it's about kung gusto mong balikan yung karelasyon na kuya, nag-love kayo, nag-break or what. May mga pagkakataon talaga na gusto natin siyang balikan. But for me, napaka-meaningful ng song na to kasi ilang years akong parang nawala yung fire sa music. So, and buti na lang nung ngayong 2025, start ako mag-release ng songs. Yung mga song na nasulat ko nung noong 2014, ngayon ko lang siya nililinis actually. So, it's called Babalik Akong Muli. And so, sana magustuhan mo. So, i-release ko siya sa January. Ongoing pa yung production ko actually, album art, and etc. So, marami ng revisions yung nagawa at ginagawa pa lang. So, sana magustuhan mo.
Isang linggong walang pag-ibig, di ko alam paano nangyari. Paano kaya maitatawid? Wala na ako sa aking sarili. Totoo nga ang laging sabi, nasa huli ng pagsisisi. Tanggap na ang pagkakamali. Handa ako ibigin kang muli. Wala na akong iba pang hanap para sa atin. Mabuo at magbalik sana pag-ibig natin. Sana gusto mo pa, sabihin mo na, aasa pa rin ba? Dahil gusto ko pa, wala na ng iba, ikaw lang ang sinisinta. Di na kaya pang mawalay, parating hinahanap ka. Sa'yo'y hindi nasusuway, wag lang sa iyo'y mahiwalay. Isa pang linggong walang pag-ibig, ilan pa kaya ang bibilangin? Paano na ang ating daigdig? Hayaan ako sa'yo ay magbalik. Oh, hindi na kaya bang mawalay, parating hinahanap ka. Sa'yo'y hindi nasusuway, wag lang sa iyo'y mahiwalay. Babalik akong muli, babalik akong muli sa'yo. Sana'y gusto mo pa, sabihin mo na, aasa pa rin ba? Dahil gusto ko pa, wala nang iba, ikaw lang ang sinisinta. Di na kaya pang mawalay, parating hinahanap ka. Sa'yo'y hindi nasusuway, wag lang sa iyo'y mahiwalay. Oh, alam ko ito ay malabo, pero akin ang isusugal. Pag-iindigan at itatayo, ikaw lang talagang mahal. Babalik, iibig muli, itatama ang aking mali. Babalik ako muli, babalik ako muli sa'yo.
So this is my last song. This song is kind of a testament to faith and to the great unknown. It's kind of giving yourself into life and love's possibilities for faith to handle. So this is a song by Jason Mraz, and I can consider him as my music hero. So babalik lang tayo sa 2008. And I think this is his latest hit. So, ayun, sana masabayan niyo ako.
Well, you don't mean me, but I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my best. To see nothing's gonna stop me. Divine intervention, I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and tell you are free. Look into your heart and you will find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God intended right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm so damn there's no need to complicate. Our time is simply short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Until you want to come on in. Won't you come closer, dear, so I can nibble your ear? I've been spending way too long shaking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fought up the glass, so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to leave yourself a vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, and open up your mind. See like me, open up your plans and tell you are free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky's open. So please don't. There's no need to complicate things. Cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I am yours. Always be yours.
Thank you. Once again, Olivia, thank you for sharing your with you.